Hi, hello, vanakkam. Welcome to Traveler's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make one of the best dish from India. That's South Indian biryani. I'm going to show you how to make South Indian biryani with this cooker. Okay, we are not going to use any dum. Cooker is very easy one. Everybody has the cooker at home. Typical South Indian beef biryani in the cooker. Please follow these recipes and follow the procedures. So 100% you will get the perfect biryani. Once the pan is hot, we have to add oil and mix with 2 teaspoons of ghee. Once the oil and ghee started getting hot, we add 2 or 3 cardamoms, yelaka, star anise, bay leaves, small 3, 1 cinnamon stick, cloves, this called krambu. All the spices are getting sparked. So now we have to add 3 onions sliced. So we have to add these 3 onions. Saute for a while in the slow flame. Don't make it brown, okay? Onion is already sweat. Now we have to add garlic, 10 garlic crushed. You can make paste also. What I did, I just crushed it. Then ginger, 15 gram ginger, and add 4 chili. It's up to you how much of spices you want, okay? Saute for a while. Don't make it brown. The garlic and onion is already sweat. Now we have to add tomatoes. I added 2 tomatoes. Now we are going to add 20 grams of coriander leaves and 20 grams of mint leaves. We'll mix it. Now we add 15 grams of yogurt. Mix it. Cook for just 2 minutes. Okay, once this one is ready, we are going to add chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon chili powder. This depends upon how much of spices you need. Half teaspoon turmeric, 2.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon garam masala. Mix it. Just leave it for at least 5 minutes. Let the oil comes up. You can see the oil is popping out, okay? So now what we have to do, we'll add little bit of salt, because I added the salt already in the beef as well, okay? Now what we do, we add beef. I cooked the beef with some water and some turmeric powder and ginger garlic paste, so it's already cooked. Add little bit of stock. Cook for at least 6 to 7 minutes. Let the gravy stick into the beef, okay? Here I added 400 grams of beef with 200 grams of rice. So if you want to reduce the beef, you can reduce. You can make it equal also. You can make the beef 200 and the rice also 200. See, you can see the oil is popping out on the top. So we add little more of ghee. Just 1 teaspoon ghee you can add. See the rice, I soaked already more than 10 minutes. It's a basmati rice. So what I do, I put straight away into it. Mix gently, don't stir it. In this one I took 1/4 cup of rice. So 1. Here I have the stock, beef stock I have, so I'm going to use that also. 2 cup. So you have to make another half cup, okay? See, stir gently. See, now we are going to cover, okay? So put the whistle on the top. So we have to wait for a while and the medium heat. Leave it for 3 whistles. put this one for simmer for another 2 minutes. Okay, now we can turn off. Let's open this. See, now the whistle is gone already. So take a fork. See this? You can see this one, so it has to be like this one, you see? It's to be separated. So this is cooker biryani. Yummy biryani came. So now we'll take the biryani very carefully. Don't stir too much, otherwise it will get messy. Okay, now we can add a little bit of lime. Then we add some coriander leaves, some raisins, and some cashew nut, and we put some eggs into the beef. If you like, add some eggs. Okay, so now our biryani is ready already. You can see this. So I made a nice fantastic cooker biryani. So it's very easy. I want to give you some tips before I wind up. So the tips is, number one, try to buy the basmati rice. Basmati rice is very good. If you take 1 cup of basmati rice, 2 cup of water or stock. Okay, 1:2 we have to add. Second things, and you have to wash the basmati rice at least 10 minutes, not more than 10 minutes. If you wash more than 10 minutes, adding a water has to be different. Okay, so I'm telling you, not more than 10 minutes soaking the basmati rice. Okay, so this is the main thing you have to consider when you do this biryani. Okay, and just be careful whenever you make biryani. Don't stir it. You know, these are simple things. We do mistakes. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. I hope we'll see you in next time with a different video. Please share and subscribe my videos. I'll see you in next video. Okay, till then, take care. See you. Bye bye.